backers of a sales tax increase in Milwaukee County hope to take their proposal to the voters. A 1% sales tax hike would go toward supporting capital projects and reducing property taxes. Ben Jordan live now to break down what this proposal would mean for you. Ben?
Steve, city and county leaders believe this 1-cent sales tax hike could generate $160 million in its first year. But even supporters admit getting this on the spring ballot will be a tall task. As Milwaukee County residents prepare for the Miller Park Stadium sales tax to likely expire next year, local leaders propose replacing it with a much larger one.
1%, that is not that much to me.
Some residents are on board.
It could be bad.
Others say no way.
It's a lot more money out of our pockets. Obviously it's something that I wouldn't prefer.
Milwaukee County currently has a 5.6% sales tax. The proposal would essentially increase it to 6.5%. Janet Ward wishes she could take that rate back home to Arizona.
It's cheap. Ours is 10%. So I like it.
Looking at other large cities in the Midwest, Milwaukee is definitely on the low end when it comes to sales taxes.
The problem we face is that our property taxes are above the national average. Our sales taxes are below the national average.
Mayor Tom Barrett, along with several city, county, and business leaders, have formed a group called Move Forward Milwaukee with the sole purpose of proposing the sales tax hike that voters would decide on during the spring election. Out of the proposed $160 million it would generate, a quarter of that would go toward lowering property taxes. For the median home value of $228,000, your annual property tax payment would go down $117. The rest of the money made off the sales tax increase would be divvied up between municipalities and the county to invest in services like parks, public safety, and transit.
If we don't change what we're doing right now, if we don't find some solution, it's going to be more and bigger cuts.
The proposal would require approval by the Republican-controlled state legislature. Senate Majority Leader Scott Fitzgerald doesn't see that happening on a tax hike.
I'd be shocked if this thing really got any momentum at all at this point.
Essentials like groceries and items not already taxed would be exempt. Reporting in downtown Milwaukee, Ben Jordan, today's TMJ4.